Hey guys, I've been cleaning filters this afternoon, gotten through 6 already, got them really nice and clean. Just thought I'd take you through this last one in real time. And this is a dirty filter. It's been filtering the pool for about 4 months and it's ready for a clean. It's actually a new pool, so this is the first time that this filter is going to be cleaned. And I just wanted to walk you through in real time cleaning it out. So follow me here. I'm gonna come up here and just set it on to my Cyclone Filter Cleaner. My wand here, turn it on, and go to work. Now, all filters are different. This one's cleaning up really fast. It's a good thing. You got good water pressure. Of course, this is just regular hose pressure. If you use a pressure washer, you risk damaging the filter. A lot of people know that. I spin it, don't spin it too fast, otherwise it slings the water everywhere, you get messy, kind of defeats the purpose. Just spin it at a slow, controlled speed, and that allows that water spray to get deep into the pleats of the pool filter. Here I'm cleaning over this drain. Makes for a nice quick cleanup. Goes right into the drain. You can clean it on grass and then you don't have any cleanup. But I do a downward angle, 45-degree angle. And that really aids in cleaning. There's no need to clean these from the inside out, as many talk about on the internet. These filters, they have a plastic core on the inside. It makes the pleats completely inaccessible from the inside. So that's actually just a myth that these filters should be cleaned from the inside out. They can't be cleaned from the inside out. And the manufacturers who make them, their instructions are just to clean them from the outside. If they use a garden hose with a 45-degree downward angle and clean them from the outside. So on this second pass, I'm getting a lot more debris to come out. Filters look really clean, but there's more junk that wants to come out of the filter on the second pass, and you can see that here. I'm just enjoying myself on this beautiful day, not having to strain or bend over as I'm cleaning these filters. It used to be such a tedious job and take me forever, and by the time I was done, my back was killing me. This pool has 8 filters, so that would have been like a 2-hour job bending over the whole time. Got to go see a chiropractor after that. But not the case today. So on this last little trick I do, I'm actually going to do a little bit of an upward angle on the filter here. I'm going to start spinning it slow and then kind of shoot upward. Now speed it up. So as you can get this thing going so fast if you want to. It slings the water. If it's hot and sunny out, you might not mind at all. You might be ready for a shower or something. But getting soaked is optional when you're using the Cyclone. So it's finished, it's done, it looks beautiful just like all the rest of these. I'm gonna slow it down here. Bring it to a stop. Spinning it fast, actually, you can kind of do a spin cycle at the end and sling some of the water out. Makes the filters a lot lighter. When they're really dirty, sometimes they're really heavy. I can get a little closer here and show in between the pleats. See here. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's flip it over. Let's look at the bottom. Usually this is where all the debris accumulates, is the bottom of the filter. And it is super clean. All the debris is out of there. So no need to flip the filters as you're cleaning it. You just do one pass and it's all clean after 2 passes. But that's it. Real-time cleaning using the Cyclone Filter Cleaner.